everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join DoorDash as a restaurant. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to join in to DoorDash as a restaurant, then it's quite easy to do that. You can simply open up your DoorDash application, or you can go to a web browser. In the URL box, type in get.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. Or you can simply type in www.doordash.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official site of DoorDash. Scroll down and click on this Become a Partner option. Look for this Become a Partner option and click on Sign Up Your Store. Soon after you click on that link, you'll be taken to this page where you can fill in your information. Type in your business name in the first text box. Select your business address. Once you've done that, head over to the next field and enter your email address for your business. Type in your phone number on the next and select your business type from the drop down at the bottom. Finally, click on the Get Started button and you'll need to fill in the rest of the information on the next page. Type in your first name in the first text box and then your last name on the next. Your email, your country, and your phone number you will already be typed in. Now create a password for your account and click on Sign Up button at the bottom. Now you'll need to choose the plan that fits your business needs. You can choose from Basic, Plus, or Premier. Select any one according to your preference, and then on the next page, select how you'd like to receive orders for your restaurant. Provide the information that is needed on this page and click on the next button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, all you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to join DoorDash as a restaurant. Once you submit your application, the DoorDash team will review your application and approve it. Simply wait for the approval and you'll be good to go. That was how you can easily join in DoorDash as a restaurant. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.